Afternoon, this is Andy from Vehicle Fit. Just a nice little job done to this Kahn Land Rover Defender. Just put a little simple cruise control system on here, which is made by is it by Lindgaard Penderen. So it's an e-cruise control system. It's an automatic Land Rover Defender. You don't get to see many of these. It's a bit of a bit of kit, this one. It's been bit of a refurb on it, but customer didn't have cruise control, so we've just put a little cruise control system on the driver's stalk on the passenger side. Resume, so turn it on, set coast, resume, accelerate, up and down. Quite simple, very effective cruise control. And what else did he want? He also wanted some sockets in the back of the van, so we fitted just a couple of I don't know if you can see that, it's a bit dark. I don't know how you turn a flash on. So two little sockets in the back of the van. There you go. For a fridge or whatever, for charging phones up in the back for the back passengers. Alright, so that's a cruise control and some simple socket mods on this lovely Land Rover Defender. Thank you.